Hi, and welcome to my consulting page. I'm Merv Jersak, founder of People First Project Manager. As a seasoned professional in the development and implementation of computer systems, I have worked on both sides of the system development equation, both as an IT vendor project manager and as a consultant to end user organization. That experience has given me a unique perspective of the dynamics of IT projects and how each side views and reacts to the other. In my current consulting practice, I offer 3 programs, 2 for IT organizations and then 1 for the client organizations. For IT, I conduct both a team assessment consultation program and a team development program. These programs are customized, tailored for your specific project needs. They can be implemented as standalone programs or packaged together for a more comprehensive assessment and outcome. For client organizations, I offer an executive success positioning program, whereby I work with the client organization's management to help prepare their teams for their roles and responsibilities on an IT project. This advanced preparation is critical to the success of the project. So please review the offerings below. Click on the one that best meets your project needs to learn more about how we can work together for greater project success.